Okay, here's my little collection of homelite chainsaws right now. This video is for JT, from my buddy JT. He wants me to do a review of his homelite XL automatic oiling with my homelite big red chainsaw. If you go check out his channel, he's got a lot of these XL saws like mine, like those two. But that one has a V on it. But his is a Super 2 with a steel 14-inch bar on it and the same muffler. But my kill switch on mine is gone bad. So the kill switch on this thing don't even work on it no more. So I may have to do some little bit of repairs to it. But if an XL12 kill switch will work on this thing, let me know in the comments. If you guys think it'll work, let me know. I finally found some old gas in my utility vehicle, the John Deere side by side. And I put some into my cans so I don't have to buy any fuel at the fuel station, service station, whichever. Got all of it mixed up at the right gallon of fuel for my saws, and they're ready to go. Which I will do a review on my Husqvarna 455 Farm Tough today, including the Steel MS291 Farm Boss after that one. But I found a year of it on this saw. I found the letter T, which he did send me a little bit of picture of the paper that JT found. So this one is a 1998 model. So this one's a 1998. His old blue is a 1997. They are very good firewood saws. I like them because they are low and slow RPMs to keep from dangerous kickback from hitting the kickback danger zone. So I put a red fuel cap on my big red because it blends in with this color, because this cap is very good shape on the XL12. Make it blend in with these things because they got red caps. I still got the black cap, but they're the same, but they're different colors. I did replace their duck valves into these things. I might have to order me a few more of them, so I can have a lot of extra spare for them, just in case for if they go bad. But everything is still original on this saw. I didn't took the grommet off of it. I leave the grommet on it because it's original grommet. I got plenty other grommets that'll fit onto it. You could still buy the modern grommets for them at Harbor Freight. And the carburetor is still the same. I didn't change the carburetor in it. It was like that when my uncle got it. When my uncle found it for me. The previous owner took real good care of it. He took really good care of that saw. Last time he ran it, the piston was not seized up. It locked up. It locked up on him, so he quit using it. And then after that, it did the same problem with me. I just put a new piston and cylinder into it because this thing's got a ton of compression. This thing's got a lot of compression, but it's running fine now. Runs a lot better with a new piston and cylinder in it from my other Super XLs. That's why I got the new piston and cylinder from those guys right here. All three of them have good piston and cylinder in them, which I'm using them as for parts to keep the big red going. Cause the big red is the only saw that stays cooler, a little bit hot when I've been running this thing. But it's a good runner. I'll definitely start them up for you and let you listen to them. We'll definitely give them a shot. We'll start off with the Little XL, which I had from a flea market. Let's see how this little fella will do. Oh, I forgot to turn choke on. It's a good runner. Not bad for a Little XL. It's a good runner. Now for my XL number 1, Little Red, 1985. Like I said, the kill switch on it doesn't even work on it no more. It's gone bad. Well, I definitely really hate to do this, but this is dangerous, but see, the kill switch on it doesn't work on it anymore. Oh well, I'll have to do some repairs to it by replacing the kill switch. And now for my Big Red. The big firewood saw. Now you see how different that thing ran before? All I did was turn jets in and turn them out about 1/4 turn to the original factory setting where they had it set at. And I turned down the idle just a bit and it runs wonderful. I'll show you. After when it's hot, fires up one pull. So there you go. This year in 2024, me and my Uncle Jim were gonna do some lumbering on logs with my steel MS 291. I got a cedar tree that's been down by a power company, which I can keep and have it as a test log for all of my saws to test them and play with them. But I do want to cut up a few firewoods with this vane and see how long this vane will hold up with a new piston in it. As long as it doesn't do the same problem as the other piston did, I will intentionally keep this vane as a good firewood saw with my modern saws, including the modern Husqvarna 455 Farm Tough, including the steel MS 291. Kill switch don't even work on this vane no more. I will have to potentially have to get a new kill switch for it. But this one does work fine. But I'm not going to use that one as for parts. But this is a good runner. I'm going to keep that thing going. And kept that other one going. But I'm still going to be getting a new air filter cover for this vane. But I will potentially get one for this little fella, since that thing runs fine. But it's a good runner. It always fires up one pull, just like on the modern saws, including the Big Red. Once again, this is for JT. He wants me to do a video on this with the Big Red. So anyways, hope you like the video. If you like it, leave it on the comments and tell me what you think and which saw is your favorite to cut firewood with. Let me know in the comments. Let me know if you want to see this big boy in action cutting firewood again. Let me know. Alrighty, I'll go ahead and put these on the shelf and get ready to do a review on my Husqvarna 455 Farm Tough. Stay tuned for that. Anyways, stay tuned and thank you for watching. I'll see you in a bit.